So now let's look into the definition of a project. So a project is a temporary endeavor. We call it temporary endeavor because it is a temporary effort, but the result is permanent. We call it as a temporary endeavor because every work should have a start and finish. This start and finish work is known as project, and when you finish the work, you create a unique product, service, or a result. Of a product is a villa or software. Example of a service is your implementation, consulting, and result is bringing a change in an organization is a result. So replace the word project with work, and any work where you put a temporary effort. Why we call it temporary? Because it should have a definitive start and definitive end. Any work that is not definitive end, we call it as an operations. Continuous, repetitive,